Welcome to our Explore series. In this episode, we are exploring Panama City Beach, Florida. We will drive through the city, showing some public beach access points, budget-friendly beachfront hotel, beachfront restaurants, and other places to eat. Must-visit sites and easiest way to get to Shell Island. Let's get started. Panama City Beach offers big variety of places to stay. Whether you want a beachfront hotel, a cozy condo, or even a campsite. If you love resorts, there are plenty with pools, restaurants, and easy beach access. Panama City Beach has almost 100 public beach access points, with around 55 of them in the main city area. Some have parking, restrooms, and showers, while others are just simple walkways to the beach. In Panama City Beach, lifeguards are stationed in towers near the Russel-Fields Pier. There also are roving lifeguards that cover other portions of the city's coast. This city relies on a swim at your own risk policy. They use a flag warning system to alert people about water conditions, like rip currents or rough surf. As you can see, driving through Front Beach Road gives off classic Florida beach town vibes. Colorful cottages, surf shops, seafood restaurants, and palm trees lining the road. We stayed at Casa Loma, a budget-friendly beachfront hotel with easy access to a beautiful beach and stunning ocean views. There's nothing like opening your eyes in Panama City Beach to the sound of waves and the sight of endless blue from your beachfront hotel balcony. To learn more about this property or book your stay, use the link in the description. Love beach vibes and coastal getaways? Like and subscribe to explore more with us. Just a 2-minute drive from the hotel, The Pour is a cozy coffee shop known for its delicious brews and famous cinnamon rolls. We also tried several other items on the menu. Everything was equally tasty. The coffee was so good, we found ourselves coming back again and again. The Pour is pet-friendly, perfect for visitors traveling with dogs. After The Pour, the next great spot to check out is Sunrise Cafe. This cozy, family-owned gem in Panama City Beach offers all-day breakfast, fresh donuts, and homemade pierogies. They also feature a specialty European menu. Also, they have pet-friendly patio, and it's perfect place for a relaxed, flavorful start to your day. Be sure to grab a lunch at a historic beachfront restaurant known for its mahi BLT, island nachos, and world-famous BBQ ribs. Pineapple Willie's offering diners a unique view from the original Panama City Beach Pier. Pineapple Willie's is a dog-friendly restaurant. It's a great spot for travelers who want to dine with their furry companions. Dogs are welcome on the outdoor deck, so you can enjoy the ocean breeze with your pup by your side. Just a short walk from the hotel, Nick's Pizzeria is a must-visit if craving fresh, flavorful pizza without needing to drive. For all-you-can-eat seafood experience, we chose Captain Jack's Seafood Buffet. This popular spot offers a wide selection of fresh seafood, including snow crab legs, fried shrimp, salad bar, and homemade desserts. It's a great choice for those seeking variety and great value. After a long day under the sun, or when the weather isn't beach-friendly, check out indoor activities. Step into the weird and exciting exhibits at Ripley's Believe It or Not, or dive into local history at the Museum of Man in the Sea. These spots are perfect for rainy days or when double red flags keep you off the sand. Get up close with dolphins at Gulf World Marine Park. This family-friendly attraction offers unforgettable dolphin encounters, daily shows, and interactive exhibits. When the sky's clear, head to Pier Park for shopping, dining, and family fun. It's a must-visit in Panama City Beach. This outdoor complex features 124 stores, including popular retailers like Target, as well as boutique shops for unique finds. Don't miss the city's first mural featuring only native marine life, a colorful spot perfect for photos. Shop local for the perfect Panama City Beach souvenirs to remember your trip. A highlight of Pier Park is the Skywheel, a nearly 200-foot tall observation wheel offering panoramic views of the Gulf Coast. It was very surprising to see that Panama City Beach is a great place for dogs. With a special beach just for dogs, fun dog parks, and restaurants that welcome pets, there's a lot to enjoy together. The Dog Beach is located across from Pier Park, accessible by beach accesses 56 and 57. This 400 feet beach is open to dogs on leashes. It is one of the only beaches in the area that allows four-legged friends. St. Andrews State Park is definitely a must-visit destination in Florida, offering the fastest and easiest access to the stunning Shell Island. We spent 2 days exploring and still felt it wasn't enough. The park has scenic trails, camping spots, and tons of activities for the whole family. St. Andrews State Park offers a playground and picnic area near the boat ramp. The playground includes swings and is adjacent to picnic tables, grills, and restrooms. Spring break in Panama City Beach is all about sunshine, sand, and ocean fun. We visited in late April and early May. The weather was warm enough to spend all day outside. The ocean water starts off a little chilly, but once you get used to it, it's super refreshing, great for swimming, floating, or just cooling off after sitting in the sun. The beach isn't as crowded as earlier spring break weeks, so it's a perfect time to relax, take a dip, and enjoy the peaceful Gulf waves. We love the calm kiddie pool area and the jetties, which are ideal for snorkeling, fishing, or just taking in the view. Shell Island is accessible only by boat. You can take the Shell Island ferry or rent a pontoon from St. Andrews State Park. The ferry runs hourly and ride is approximately 15 minutes. Please verify current ferry schedules and prices, as they may vary based on the season and weather conditions. Full-day pontoon rentals cost $300. Pickup starts at 8 a.m. and return by 4 p.m. We chose a pontoon, and it was one of the best decisions. Cruising the bay, spotting coastal birds, and watching pelicans dive for fish made it unforgettable. Shell Island is a protected natural area with no restrooms, food, or shade. Be sure to bring everything you need for your visit and pack light, because you will need to carry everything off the boat. Check out the checklist of essentials in the description below. We found plenty of beautiful seashells, including a tiny, delicate sand dollar, and seen a dolphin straight from the shore. Panama City Beach is everything you love: sun, sand, beautiful ocean, wildlife, and adventure all in one place. Let us know in the comments. What's your favorite things to do or activity in Panama City Beach? Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.